Hello guys, I am from Gaugrass Maths Hub. I am going to discuss concepts on differentiation of a determinant, Rolle's theorem, Lagrange's mean value theorem. These concepts are belong to chapter 5 continuity and differentiability. Here I shall write and explain what is differentiation of a determinant. So here first concept I have taken differentiation of a determinant. I shall write here differentiation of a determinant. This is the formula you must remember. Differentiation of a determinant, if a determinant is there of order 3 cross 3. So let, here I shall write imply that let a determinant is of order 3 cross 3 of order 3 cross 3, then that determinant is y. Then that determinant is y, and y equal to date elements of first row I shall write P, Q, R. Elements of second row U, V, W. Elements of third row L, M, N. Then here I shall write D, WRT, X. dWRT x means differentiation with respect to x, or differentiating with respect to x. That is called dWRT x. So here I shall write imply that d over dx y equal to d over dx dot elements of first row P, Q, R, elements of second row U, V, W, elements of third row L, M, N comes out to be, here d will be conjugated to y, it will become dy over dx, and here I shall get d over dx will be multiplied to P, Q and R respectively at first instance. So here I shall write dP over dx, dq over dx, dr over dx. U V W L M N plus second row, each element of second row will be multiplied to d over dx at second instance. So here I shall write P Q R, and here I shall write du over dx dv over dx dw over dx, and here L M N will be written plus did. Here elements of first row and second row will be written as it is, and each element of third row will get multiplied by d over dx at third instance here. So here I shall write P Q R U V W. Here write dl over dx dm over dx. Here write dn over dx. This is the formula you must remember. And now I shall discuss Rowley's theorem here. That is second concept here I shall write. Second concept, Rowley's theorem. Let us see what Rowley's theorem says. I shall here explain in brief. Imply that let y equal to fx be a function continuous defined let y equal to fx be a function defined in closed interval small a comma b closed interval. Let y equal to f of x be a function which is defined in closed interval a comma b closed interval. Then a I shall write here small a. F of x is continuous in closed interval a comma b closed interval. B I shall write f of x is differentiable in open interval a comma b open interval, and here I shall write C f of a equal to f of b. D I shall write then there exists C belong to open interval a comma b such that f dash c is equal to 0, it will become. Then there exists c belong to open interval a comma b open interval such that f dash c is equal to 0. Here this notion is called there exists you can say, and this notion called belong to this notion, you know, open interval, and here f dash means f dash equal to derivative of first order. F dash equal to derivative of first order. This one. F dash c equal to 0. This is the Rolle's theorem I have explained here in brief. And third one is Lagrange mean value theorem. I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write Lagrange mean value theorem. Lagrange mean value theorem I am going to discuss here. Let y equal to f of x be a function defined in closed interval a comma b closed interval. Then f of x is continuous in closed interval a comma b closed interval. Second point, f of x is differentiable in open interval a comma b open interval. C I shall write. Then there exists C belong to open interval e comma b such that f dash c equal to f of b minus f of a whole over b minus a. Here you can see Rowley's theorem and Lagrange mean value theorem. Both theorems are the same. But here this point, then there exists C belong to open interval a comma b open interval such that f dash of C equal to 0 is there in Rowley's theorem, but here in Lagrange mean value theorem, then there exists C belong to open interval a comma b open interval such that f dash C, here f dash C equal to 0 is there in Rolle's theorem, but here in Lagrange mean value theorem f dash C equal to f of b minus f of a whole over b minus a. These are the some concepts related to chapter 5 continuity and differentiability, and after this I shall take explanation of questions related to exercises. Okay guys, thanks.